Hello guys, welcome in Learning Zone. Today we will perform an imaging experiment. Here is the sulfur, the element sulfur, pure sulfur. Here is we will put a burning magnesium wire on it and you just see the reaction. Magnesium sulfide will formed here, Mgs. This is a combination reaction. Magnesium plus sulfur is equal to Mgs. You can see the different flames. Here the red. Now it will turn into white and at the last blue. But blue you will find it difficult to see, so see from the near. Just try to see it, but never try at home.